In a remote place somewhere in Asia, there is an island full of twins.
Hi, Nash.
Hi, Nash. Hi, Nash. Hi, Nash. Hi, Nash. Hi, Nash.
So many identical twins for a very small population. Yes, there is only one question to ask. What is causing so many twins on this island? This island is called Alabat and it exists in the Philippines. From the moment my crew got there, we saw twins everywhere. Twins as young as 2 and twins as old as 89 years old. Like these guys.
Si Yudos Camiras, 89 years old. Tunela Abargo, 89 years old.
Ay, wari ko, wala na yung pinakamatandang kambal sa Perez. Kundi kami.
If you think you're seeing double, you're not. And they're not the only ones. You see, here, 1 in every 3 families has twins. In fact, in 2018, one newspaper even said that this island has 78 pairs of non-identical twins and 22 pairs of identical twins, even a pair of conjoined twins. That is rare. And to add to the confusion, most of them even dress the same, with the same shirt, pants, shoes, even the same hairstyle, so nobody could tell them apart.
Pag may problema po si Nikki, nararamdaman ko po kahit hindi niya sabihin.
Hi, Nash. Ako po si Reyna Joy. Ako yung masungit. Ako yung mabait. Matangkad po ako. Pandak po siya.
Crush ko po, crush niya din. Aba, hindi po. Pag crush ko po, crush niya din. Crush mo din.
Now, I bet you're thinking, how is this possible? Well, turns out nobody really knows. But there is a lot of wild theories that are roaming around. Some say it's because of their genes. Some say it's because of the water. Some even say it's because these guys eat a lot of bananas.
Ito ang saging na kambal na sinasabi sa aming bayan na pag kumain ka ng kambal at ikinaglilihi ay magiging kambal ang iyong anak.
And with so many identical people in one island, chances are they get mixed up a lot. They may look and dress the same, but not everything about twins is the same. Today, this small fishing village with a population of over 16,000 is still a mystery. And honestly, it feels too weird to be true. But it's real. It's here, and it's full of happy and identical citizens.